Hi guys, welcome to Southwell Honda. Today we've got this fantastic looking CR-V hybrid. So for a more personalised video on this car, please give us a call on 01704 500 501 and ask for one of our qualified salesmen today. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is a quick video around the car, show you some of the key features and go from there. Okay. So we've got parking sensors on the front. It's got keyless entry coming around the back. Got parking sensors on the rear. Also we've got a reverse camera. There's the registration number, DE19 ZVG. Come around. Okay, so come in. There we go. You can control the volume from the steering wheel, which is multifunctional. It's got its adaptive cruise control, everything. There's the service book, which is fully stamped. 2 keys. There's the hybrid centre. Cloth interior. Okay guys, for a more personalised video, please give us a call today and we'd be happy to answer any questions. Thank you. Bye now.